Hey guys, in this video, we're going to review Immich. Immich is a self-hosted photo and video backup app made for people who want to keep their memories private and safe. It's like Google Photos, but you run it on your server, so your pictures stay with you, not on someone else's cloud. It's perfect for privacy lovers and those tired of storage limits or subscriptions. The setup is simple if you're familiar with Docker, and the team provides good documentation. Once it's running, the mobile app iOS and Android automatically uploads your photos and videos, just like Google Photos. The interface is clean, modern, and fast. Browsing, searching, and viewing photos feels smooth and user-friendly. One cool feature is face recognition, which helps you organize photos by people. It also groups photos by albums, dates, and locations. Immich supports RAW image formats and live photos, which is rare in self-hosted apps. It even works well with multiple users, making it great for families. While it's still growing and some features are in progress, the developers update it often and respond to community feedback. It uses modern tech and has good performance, even with large libraries. Overall, Immich is a great Google Photos alternative that gives you control, privacy, and a smooth experience all for free. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.